If NVIDIA continues to flag and move sideways and not lead this market, then what does? If we're going to get something else to lead, it probably means we need to see a light inflation print, because right now the economic data are not impressive. It'd be okay if the numbers from this morning were corroborated by a drop in the inflation print tomorrow, namely the month over month, which in theory, if it missed and came in light, could hit zero on the core PCE, maybe even a negative. That would be one way to look at this week's data, which have been disappointing, and spin it in a positive way. Bonds have been catching a bid, and I think generally for the wrong reasons. That's why my risk radar has had only one green light for a while, and it's been bonds, because it does look like we're transitioning into one of those periods where bad data shouldn't be good. Now, the catch is if inflation comes in real light, then we could take some of that bad data and spin it as something positive. The chart that I'm watching going into tomorrow is the dollar next to yields. I think yields down, bonds catching a bid because data are coming in light, but the dollar staying bid and elevated tells us that even if the numbers come in light, the Fed still can't cut. That's why we've got a separation of yields on the low end of the range while the dollar's elevated. So that's the chart I really want to watch going into tomorrow, because if the inflation print does come in light and makes us feel a little better about our weak data, then maybe that dollar comes off a bit and then you get more of that risk on move. But if the dollar stays bid while yields are down, it's probably telling us that it's hard to spin bad data is good.